You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting lesson today. Let's learn how to pronounce those two words from statistics. If you want to learn more names from mathematics, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So let's break them down. Homoscedasticity is one of the ways to pronounce the top word here, homoscedasticity, but it is also correct to pronounce it as homoscedasticity. All right, that's also correct. The two pronunciations are correct in English. Now, the bottom word is similar, has two different pronunciations. Heteroscedasticity, or heteroscedasticity. Now, you would want to be consistent. If you're saying homoscedasticity, say heteroscedasticity, I would suggest. Not homoscedasticity and heteroscedasticity. But apart from that, and then use flap T's if you're American, like as in homoscedasticity. But that's it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.